How do I troubleshoot a connection issue with EA servers on my PS4?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to walk through the steps of troubleshooting a connection issue with EA servers on your PlayStation 4. It can be frustrating when you're eager to play an EA game and suddenly face a connection error. But don't worry, we're here to help you. Let's dive into the process.
Is EA server down?
Before you start troubleshooting your PS4, it's worth checking if the problem is not on your end. EA servers might be down, which could be the reason you are unable to connect. 1. Check social media or official EA channels for any outage updates. 2. You can also use various server status websites by simply Googling EA server status. If the servers are down, unfortunately, you'll have to wait until they're back up and running.
Checking your internet connection.
If the EA servers are not down, the next step is to check your own internet connection. 1. Start by checking if other devices are able to connect to the internet. 2. Try using your PS4 to connect to a different online service. If your internet connection is unstable or slow, this could be the source of the problem. You may want to reset your router or contact your internet service provider, ISP.
Checking your PS4's network settings.
Sometimes the issue could be with your PlayStation 4's network settings. Here's how you can check your PS4's network settings. 1. Navigate to the Settings on your PS4. 2. Then go to Network and check your internet connection status. 3. If your PS4 shows that you're connected to the internet, try testing the connection. If your PS4 fails the connection test, try resetting your network settings or setting up your connection again.
Restarting your PS4.
Sometimes the easiest fix is just a simple restart of your PS4. 1. Power off your PS4 completely, don't just put it in rest mode. 2. Wait for a minute, then turn it back on and see if the connection issue persists.
Updating your PS4.
It's also possible that your PS4 needs an update. Here's how to check for updates. 1. Go to Settings on your PS4. 2. Navigate to System Software Update to see if there are any updates waiting. If there are, download and install them. This might fix your connection problem. We hope this video has helped you troubleshoot your connection issue with EA servers on your PS4. Just remember, start from checking EA server status and your own internet connection, then move on to your PS4 settings. Sometimes the simplest solution like restarting your PS4 or updating it can also solve the problem. Happy gaming and hope to see you online soon.